Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. The daily was a little bit of a red bar, not really much in it, a bit of a long tails, can't really call it a pin bar. We do have this pin bar from the previous day, and red does normally confirm the original move, but we'd have to break below the lows of yesterday for that to continue. I think at the moment we're probably going to range, and we'll pick up those levels now. So at the moment, what we want to do is just get the levels. So I've got the level here where pretty much was the gap, and you can see we rejected it twice. But if you look at price action at the moment, definitely just ranging at the moment. Okay, now this is driven by tech stocks at the moment. So tech stocks are overpriced, extremely overpriced, should we say. And I think some investors are now starting to scale out of them and look for value in other instruments at the moment. So that's what's driving this right now. Remember, we also don't have a stimulus package. We also don't have a result in the election. And then we also got Trump, who's fighting the result at the moment. Well, it's not really a result, is it? But looking to get votes counted and pretty much fight right till the bitter end. So I think as a result of that, you're probably going to find this kind of price action moving forward. For me at the moment, the S&P and the NASDAQ are two instruments which I think I'm just going to stay away from for a while until it sorts itself out. NASDAQ needs a deep pullback. So that's the one thing we need to pay attention to. But anyway, if we get down to the hour, you'll see what I mean. We're sideways here. There's no real reason to buy into this right now. Okay, there was an opportunity to buy at the gap, but that pretty much fizzles out at the moment. Moving average is sideways, as you can see, and we're above and below the moving average. And when that happens, you know that there is consolidation underway. Now, the big question is this consolidation for a move down, or is it consolidation for a move up? Only thing that's going to tell that is a break to the upside of 35.67 and a break to the downside of 35.20. Okay, let's just get to the weekly here. 3,400 is still the area where I would see a bit of value, 3,400. Okay, and if you look at the weekly at the moment, we're only 3 days into the week right now, but we've got a pin bar, engulfing and then into a pin bar. So this could be an exhaustion bar, pin bar, and then we move back to the downside. If not 3,400, at least all the way back down to the bottom of this range, which is down here at 32.26. Okay, so I think for me at the moment, I'm not going to call a short right now, but if we do break below 35.20, come back and retest it and start rolling, that would more than likely open the door for 3,400. Okay. So at the moment, S&P for me is sit on hands. When we're sideways like this, not really interested in that. If we do break one of those two levels, then what I'm looking for will be a break and retest to the upside for a long, or break and a retest to the downside for a short. Until that happens, money stays in the pocket. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it for me today on the S&P. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up you later. Cheers for now.